Hello children, we are going to learn how to draw lines. Okay, using the lines I am going to create one art. See, I am just taking my hand and keeping it here, and I am just drawing an outline for my hand. Okay, I had drawn an outline for my hand. After finishing this part, I am just finishing the curve like this. Okay, after that I want to make them in a black outline, so I am taking the black sketch and doing the black outline for that. So I'm just starting from here. Whatever I had drawn, I'm just making one outline for that. This is my hand, so I want to see the fingers. That's all I completed. I'm just extending a little bit lines here. Okay, then I'm going to draw a center line here, also this part, then in center. So I had drawn a line like this. So I want to put the margin, so I'm just using a scale for the margin. I had drawn a line like this. See, I had drawn it in a pencil, so that I'm making it very darker. Using the black, I'm just drawing a line for this. Then that's all, I completed my work. Now I'm going to do the coloring and taking the black. See, I'm taking one color and doing the lines like this. I want this. See, I want this to be in this way. So I had drawn one curve like this. Then I just drawn a slant line like this. After finishing this, I am taking some more color. I want a green to be here, so I used a slant line here. Here I want to use the curve line, so I am just curving like this. Whatever I had drawn, I just curved here. Then I want to change the pen color. Then I want one pink shade here, so here I want to use the sleeping line, so I'm just using the sleeping line here. Till this line I had drawn my sleeping line. Okay, after that I want to change my color, so I am taking blue shade. I'm taking one yellow shade. Okay, yellow shade to do here. I want to show here a standing line. Okay, so I'm just doing one slant lines here. Okay, can you able to see this? So I done a slant line. That's all. Then I want to change my color. I'm going to put the blue shade here. So here I want this to be in straight line. That's all. I completed my filling in this part. Then I want to change my color. So I want one more shade to be added. So I am taking brown. Okay, here I want this to be in this direction, this slant line. Okay, till this part I had completed. I have a gap here, no? So I want to fill that gap also. So I am taking one yellow. Okay, this is very light yellow. So in this part I want to do some other strokes. So I had used standing line, sleeping line, slant line. Two types of slant lines are there I had used here. This part I had used the curve line also. So I want to use here one straight line like this. So that's all, my form had completed now. So I want to fill here or all. So that the same I'm just following. I want one color for this part. I'm going to use, see here I'm going to use yellow shade. Okay, this is for curve line. Is it visible for you? So I have finished my curve line using the yellow color. See, I had completed my yellow. I'm going to complete my yellow shade now. Then I'm going to change for the next color. So I want one blue shade to be here. So I'm adding one blue there. So here I want one standing line here. So I'm doing the standing line. Okay, I completed my standing line also. After that I want to add this part here. So I want to change one more shade here. So this part should be in a slant line, a curved line. Already we did a curved line here. So I want one more slant line to be here. So I'm just doing a slant line here. These lines will help you to do, when you're writing, the lines makes an important role in writing. While you're practicing this curve line, straight line, slant line and all, it will help you to develop your writing skill. Okay, the target is to writing very neat and good handwriting. So I had drawn this one here. This part also I want to add this. So I completed this one. Then I want to change here in a green shade. So here I am going to do with a sleeping line. Here I done a slant line. Here I want to use my sleeping line here. So while you're showing sleeping lines, no, this part or all, it should be visible here. Okay, can you able to see this? See this part also. I'm just using the curve line, straight sleeping lines here. Okay, I'll finish this part first. Then only the flow will come very nicely. The flow is very important for writing. So I completed my green sheet here. So I'll go for the next. Here I want to change one shade here. So I'm just using orange shade for this. Okay, I'm just taking the orange, and this part I want to do with the curve lines. Okay, already I done a curve line here. Sleeping line, standing line, slant line. Here we want upside down slant line. So here we are going to draw one more straight line. Can you able to see this? So I finish my lines, orange shade here. Here I want to fill some other color. I will do with the purple. Okay, no, I'll do with the yellow. See, in this part I want upside down, this to this. So I want to fill my shade in this way. That's all I completed. So the work had got over. So this is the work. Okay, you people have to finish like this and then send me back. Okay, this is your line art. Okay, using the line art you are going to do, one artwork. This is